In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add Google Maps to your Editor X website. As you can see, this is how it looks right now. And in the website itself, there is no real way how you can add basically your business on Google Maps on your website. But you can go to the link in the description. That brings you over to Elfsight, and Elfsight allows us to create beautiful widgets and add them to our own site. So we can go to applications here and we can type in maps. And here we have Google Maps. So we can customize this right here and then put it on our website. So as you can see, what we can do, we can choose a map, for example, a road map or a satellite, hybrid or terrain. But let's do a road map. We can center zoom. We can basically customize everything right here. So I'll leave this up to you. It's really easy to change this. For example, kilometers instead of miles, and the location itself. So you can change the location here to your own business, and then we can hit save. And from here, the widgets is going to create. We can choose light for now. And then we can copy this code and put this on our website. So we can go to Editor X, hit the plus icon, embed and social, and then choose embed widget, enter code, paste in the code, and then hit update. And once you do that, as you can see, the Google map comes up, and right now we can place this wherever we want. So where it is, so it's a bit buggy. Here it is. So it can't load on Google Maps. That's because I have not set it up yet. But yeah, this is basically how you can add this to any site you want. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.